Submerged supervolcano at favorite Brit holiday destination alarms scientists. One of Europe's most powerful volcanoes, submerged off the coast of a favorite Brit holiday destination, is showing alarming signs which has put scientists on high alert. Volcanologists are warning over the destructive power of the Phlegraean Fields, also known as Campi Flegrei, near to Naples, Italy, as it is showing signs of erupting. The huge volcano, technically an 8-mile-wide caldera, which is mostly underwater in the Bay of Naples, is bigger than the nearby Mount Vesuvius, which is responsible for one of the deadliest eruptions in human history when it obliterated the nearby Pompeii in 79 AD. The ancient volcano last erupted in 1538, although it was only minor, lasting for 8 days. However, its formation some 39,000 years ago saw lava and rocks thrown hundreds of kilometers away in what was the most violent eruption in the past 200,000 years in Europe. Experts monitoring Campi Flegrei noticed that the surrounding terrain rose by 1.5 meters about 40 years ago and by similar levels in 1983. According to historical documents, this is exactly what happened before the 1538 eruption. Robert Ayer, from the Observatory of the National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, told Welt.de, the trend is clearly visible. Thomas Walter from the German George Research Center in Potsdam added, "The problem is that you cannot predict the eruption." However, Mr. Walter moved to calm any fears by saying, "The signs are already alarming. But there were also strong lifts without breakouts.